What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, we're going to be heading over to Beamer Fest. It's a nice Sunday afternoon. With me we got Miles, 46er.
Oh yeah.
His whip's looking super clean. He's done some nice mods recently. As you could tell right away off the bat, he got rid of the quad tip. Has a nice temporary single exit. You have a Tome coming in. That's gonna be looking so sick. Nice JDM look going with the BMW. I really love this color, guys. Looks so good in the light. I like it. It's sick. So we're gonna be cruising out, him and I, to the meet. It's about like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. And then we're gonna see a lot of BMWs, guys. It's a Beamer Fest, so it should be a lot of fun. Hopefully see some M5s that wanna go for some pulls, if you know what I mean. So right now we're just we're waiting for one of our buddies to come over. So if you guys didn't know, I still have the no interior in the front. I still have the stock seats in. My seat brackets actually came in yesterday, so there's going to be a video of me installing that. Back is still gutted. I still have to do a lot more gutting, and I'm going to make it look a lot better, but I'm still working on getting a lot of the interior out. I know I haven't showed you guys how the engine's looking in a while, so thought I'd show you because we got some time before we go. Nothing much really changed underneath the hood. We still have the 61 millimeter journal bearing. The last thing I showed you guys is when I was installing the catch can. At the meet, as you saw, we're cruising with Miles in his E36. I know you guys have been asking for for more content with the single turbo, so I'm gonna try to get a lot more footage of driving it. And if you guys didn't know, I got some big changes coming soon with the setup, and I don't want to spoil too much, but I think you guys are gonna like what I'm gonna be doing to the car, and a lot of sick content is gonna be coming. Here's Miles, E46. Yep. Get some nice rollers. We got the AC running, guys. We're trying to avoid the heat because it's a hot day for us Canadians.
36 degrees.
Right, we'll get back to you guys when we're at the meet. We're about 5 minutes out right now. There's going to be a lot of sick Beamer.
Alright guys, we're rolling into the meet.
Last time we were here, they were doing that carnival.
Yeah.
The meet started at 1 o'clock, guys. It's about 2 o'clock, I think. So they said it goes from 1 to 7, so it should get a little bit more busy later. you got the Bride racing seats too?
Yeah.
Those are nice.
Recovered. The original stitching and everything, like the colors are just off.
Is it Alcantara?
No. I was thinking about it, but I just went with the gradation.
So
Oh.
is that a vibrant clamp? What are those called? Those V-bands?
That's a vibrant
Single turbo E30, guys.
V-band.
This is crazy. The charge pipe welding.
HD clamp. Yeah, I need those.
Vibrant HD clamp.
HD. And those are all perfect for like.
Turbo conversion. Here's the Bride racing seats. Oh. I don't know what shifter that is. It looks like an RTD, but I know it's not. Some kind of short shifter. Wow. Did a nice job with the gutting and the door panels.
It won't be exactly the same, but you can still do it with the fins. But that looks crazy. Yeah.
That's are you familiar with GT Customs?
Yeah. Matt Murado made this.
Matt Morgado? That's his.
Wow, that's amazing. That's really worth the buck, eh?
Oh, for sure. You know, motors are very boring to look at, so that adds some pop.
I know, some flavor.
S52?
S52.
Side turbo.
GTX 3076. That's the Gen 2, that's the new one.
You have to do the same.
You had the same problem as me, eh? Trying to fit it under the hood.
So that's why we decided to go with this. But it's supposed to go a little bit more this side.
Kind of miscalculated it right there.
I'm like, oh man.
American?
US car, yes.
We should definitely go for a pull sometime, man. How much do you think you'll be making after you break it in?
Well, we gotta go bigger turbo.
Oh, really?
Right.
You're maxing it out right now?
It's pretty maxed out.
These
Oh,
go to
sweet.
your oil cooler?
That's the that's the oil cooler that sits.
Where's the filter? Inside there?
That's again made by Matt.
So is your catch can routed to?
There's the intercooler.
That's just
You got a 335 right here, same color as me with the red interior. Wow, I can't get over these welds.
And that's your fuel pressure regulator? So you can adjust it from here?
you can adjust it from there.
So what's the point of that? Isn't it better to always have
235.
Oh!